welcome back to my channel. You all know I love a good wig and I have a great one for you all today. I'm going to be showing you all some new from Afsisterwig. They launched not too long ago and I shared with you guys in my first video with them that they came out strong. This particular unit is their new Skin Melt unit and y'all, it is perfection. They've been working extremely hard to improve the craftsmanship of their units. Their previous unit was the invisible knot unit, and while that one was amazing, many customers kind of had some feedback that it was a little too light, but this particular lace is a high quality lace that's colored so that any skin tone can match. As you can see, this is a unit that has the knots where you can actually see them. They're very pronounced, so you can see the black dots all over the place. But their unit is one where you can't see any knots. It's going to melt right into the skin and it's extremely beginner friendly. So if you're someone who's a novice to the wig community, this is going to be a great option for you. This unit has invisible Swiss lace, so it's top quality. The knots have been bleached and they've also perfected the pre-plucked hairline. Y'all, the touch of this hair, the feel of it, the density and everything was so on point. It felt so super silky, felt like butter. And this unit also comes with a detachable elastic band, so feel free to use that if you don't want to use any glue or any form of adhesive. So now we're going to put the unit on, and you can tell how bomb a unit is going to be within the first 3 seconds of putting it on your head before you ever cut off the lace or anything. And y'all, I knew this one was gold. So I mean, look at this hairline. They've absolutely done a great job pre-plucking, and when you can get a unit that you don't actually have to tweeze at all, that is just amazing. Absolutely phenomenal. This one lays super flat. It actually gives me a great deal of coverage over my hairline. I mention this all the time. It's very hard to find a unit that has great coverage for a low hairline, and this one does. The parting space looks amazing. You get 6 inches of parting space, which is very awesome, especially for how affordable this unit is. And as you can see, this one looks really natural without having to do the ball cap method. Now you do see my stocking cap a little bit, but I'm going to show you all how to correct that later. So now I'm just going to apply this Care wax. I've really been enjoying using this product lately. If you're somebody who's in a rush to get a wig on, get it installed and everything, and be out the house, this is a really good option because you don't have to wait for the hair to dry if you use a mousse, but you can use this to lay your hair down, especially on the right side. The left side of the unit came really flat, but sometimes with packaging it just happened and it's inevitable. It's kind of something that you can't avoid. One side might lift a little bit, so this is going to really help to lay it flat. And I'm going to follow this up with my hot comb, and I got my hot comb from the beauty supply store, probably like $10 or so. So you all invest in a hot comb. That's really going to help to get your unit laid. So after I do this process, I'm going to cut the lace off and everything and begin the installation process. straight long hair in minutes. This is literally probably one of the fastest and easiest installs that I've done to date. So now I'm just going to color correct the peak area because as you can see, I have a little bit of my hairline peeking out, and I probably should have pulled the unit further up, but I didn't want to cut off my forehead too much. Although it's kind of big, I kind of like it. So I'm using the 3D Face Creator by Ruby Kiss in order to do this. So now the hairline looks amazing. So we need to correct the parting. Again, do the ball cap method or don't use a stocking cap at all if you don't want to have this issue. But you could just use a concealer and just kind of put it at the start of where your stocking cap is, just to kind of blend it out and make it look more natural. And I probably should have used a lighter color, but disregard that. That's the end of this tutorial. I hope that you all thoroughly enjoyed it. This new Skin Melt wig from Afsister is absolutely amazing. I hope that you all really enjoyed seeing how natural and how easy it was to install. Be sure to share this with your friends, especially a beginner who doesn't want to do a lot of work but wants to look fly in minutes. Be sure to check the description box for the link and all the specifications for this unit. Also, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.